Hey viewers, 4DIYers here, back with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the fog light bulbs on a BMW E90. For this I'll be working with my LCI E90. This is a 2010 335D with the regular bumpers, so they're not the M Sport versions. For the side you want to replace the bulb on, turn the wheel to the inside of the fender well. This will give you a bit of extra room to work depending on what tools you're using. Remove the two 8mm fasteners on the inside edge of the bumper in that fender liner. Here you can use a ratchet or screwdriver handle with a socket. There will be one more 8mm fastener under the bumper, just in behind the edge of the fender liner. Once those have been removed, you can gently pry out the liner and gain access to the rear of the fog light assembly. Press the tangs on each side of the electrical connector and pull it straight off. Grab onto the rear of the bulb and twist counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. Once the bulb is out, then you can install a new bulb. In this case, I'm installing LED upgrades. It's always a good idea to ensure the LED is functioning correctly before finalizing the installation. Align the locking tabs, push the bulb into place, and then finally twist the bulb clockwise to lock it in. You can go ahead and reinstall those three 8mm fasteners. Now going over to the other side for an additional view, again is removing those three 8mm fasteners. There will be two on the inside edge and then one at the bottom. Once those fasteners are out, you can then pull the liner back to access the rear of the fog light. Again is pushing the tangs on the side of the electrical connector to remove. Finally, twist the bulb counterclockwise and remove. Reinstallation is in reverse of removal. You may find it's easier if you are installing upgrades to connect the electrical connectors first if it's a longer pigtail on an aftermarket light upgrade. Then install the bulb back into the rear of the fog light. Again, align those tabs, push it into place, and then rotate clockwise to lock it in. Finally, you can reinstall those three 8mm fasteners and you're officially done. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.